everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here for a quick little unboxing. I wanted you to know that I've recently posted some recent and not so recent live performances of concerts I've played over the years, and for some of them I only have audio files. So you probably saw this past weekend, like around the 28th and the 29th of March, that I posted some videos, and those are me playing flute with some of my friends from previous cities, some from here in Tulsa, some from Bloomington, Indiana, some from Cincinnati, Ohio. But I just wanted to share those because at this time, right now, people are wanting, or not wanting, people are needing some other types of escape. And so I thought I would share some stuff that I had from live recordings and some from stuff that was meant for a CD that unfortunately never saw the light of day. So I thought I would share it here. And all of the music, it's there should be no commercials, so it'll just be, you know, free listening for everybody. For my flute friends that are here, I hope you enjoy those. And for my flute friends that have just discovered my channel, I do planner videos and videos about organization systems and art, as well as my flute. I do have a flute playlist. I'll try to link it up here in the info card, where I have some of my performances and some of my friends and some really great flute players. So if you want to listen to some wonderful flute music, if you click that and, you know, put it on autoplay, or, you know, scroll if something strikes your fancy, you'll hear some great music by some of my flute friends here and some famous flute players from around the world. So the reason we're here is for this unboxing. I had gotten, a little bit ago, this Foxy Fix, my custom single strand number 6 in the standard side with the pockets. And we are already on a new week. A lot less on my schedule, and I've got to edit some things in my calendar. And someone was asking about these. These are just little doodles that I've done myself. Just used some pencil to first draw it, then used a Pigma pen, like a Sakura Pigma marker, and went over it, erased the pencil markings, and then just used some water-soluble markers, so they do kind of bleed through a little bit. Like that one bled through a little bit. So that's all I do. If you watch that tutorial that I did about the simple floral tutorial, I'll see if I can remember to info card that here as well, where you can see how I do some of my simple artwork. But I had one order outstanding with Foxy Fix, and it was for something this size, something passport size. This is my, as most of you know, my on-the-go calendar that has my schedule, my wallet stuff, a folder for receipts, and then this one is for notes and stuff. Oh, and I took some notes in we were doing online temple on Friday, and so I wrote down the Hashki Venu. Hashki Venu et Adonai. Anyways, and some simple recipes, and we ordered some Japanese the other day. It was so good. It was so good not to have to cook one meal. So let's take a look and see what we have in here. It just arrived, and I was really surprised to get this. I ordered it on the 9th of March, and today is the 30th. And that is, oh, there it is, way, 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 way fast for Foxy Fix. I mean, way fast. That's just my receipt down there, making sure there's nothing else in there. And lots of stuff too. I do have to say, I love their packaging. I mean, like, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And then the pattern goes all the way around the box. Just really beautiful. I save these and put craft and planner stuff and use them to store stuff. So you can see it's nice and small. It is what Foxy Fix calls #1 size, and it is a leather that they were discontinuing. There was a huge email that went out about lots of leathers they were discontinuing. And I have a pen sleeve made in this leather, and I really think I'm going to like it. So this leather is the Posh leather. So you can see it's a black leather with some texture. It actually really kind of reminds me of the leather that they use for the Moterm, because it has that type of a texture for the Moterm Traveler's Notebooks. And this is the compact folio, and it has a back pocket, and it has the crisscross pockets right here. So one of the reasons why I wanted this is I wanted to have a black passport with the back pocket so I could use it as a wallet. So we're quickly going to put everything that I have in here in this notebook. And I need to go through. These are receipts from all of the grocery shopping that we've done. I need to go through and organize those for tax type things for next year. Here's the wallet insert. Here's my monthly calendar. And I am going to put my cards. I know I have a Starbucks gift card here. I think Starbucks is closed, but I'm going to keep it in my wallet for the day that when they are open. There we go. And so what I got was the Posh with the black stitching, and I decided to go with a dark gray elastic. And that looks beautiful. I will zoom in and take a few photos, and thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.